Smart-Fab, the non-woven fabric that combines the best characteristics of paper and cloth. Smart-Fab is really easy to use. It'll be even easier with these helpful tips. Cutting and trimming. Smart-Fab is a non-woven fabric, so it won't fray. You can cut and trim it with scissors, pinking shears, cutting knives, paper punches, and die cutting machines. Just place the Smart-Fab on the table, tense it slightly, and cut. By the way, you can cut 10 to 15 layers of Smart-Fab at the same time. Coloring. The possibilities for coloring Smart-Fab are almost endless. You can use markers and paints. You can use gouache, tempera, or acrylic. And you can even silkscreen Smart-Fab or use stencils with a sponge and acrylic paint. Gluing. All sorts of adhesives work on Smart-Fab, except for hot glue. Drying times will vary depending on the glue you choose. For the strongest, fastest drying results, we recommend using fabric glue. Sewing. Want to sew Smart-Fab? Go right ahead with a needle and thread or a sewing machine. To protect small children, have them use a thick needle. All sorts of needles pass through Smart-Fab easily, even through several layers at a time. Three-dimensional objects. One of the most amazing things about Smart-Fab is how you can crunch and fill it. You'll get an added dimension of volume that you simply can't get with paper. You can create all sorts of 3D characters and figures. You can sew and fill all sorts of shapes and forms. You can even use Smart-Fab to fill spaces and cover large areas. Durability. Smart-Fab is wrinkle and tear resistant, so you can experiment with it in various ways without destroying it. Just keep Smart-Fab rolled up or folded. When you're ready to use it, all you have to do is stretch it out to straighten it. Ruffling. Want to make beautiful ruffles? It's easy with Smart-Fab, with no danger of damaging or tearing it. What's more, the objects and handicrafts you make with Smart-Fab are really long-lasting. Folding. Smart-Fab is really easy to crease and fold, and it holds its shape. All you have to do is crease it firmly, and the fold will stay in place. Working with layers. Let's say you want to make orange. Just place a layer of yellow Smart-Fab over a layer of red, and you'll have orange. If you want to make a color more vivid, just use 2 layers of the same color Smart-Fab. Ease of use. Smart-Fab is a very lightweight fabric, so light that it's easy to lift an entire roll. You can attach pieces of Smart-Fab to one another with staples or thumbtacks. You can use push pins to attach Smart-Fab to bulletin boards, and they won't leave holes when you remove them. You see, we designed Smart-Fab to give you creative freedom. Just look at some of the wonderful, imaginative things they've created with Smart-Fab. Smart-Fab, it's so much fun and easy to work with.